Looking for the best telescopic pruning shears to tackle those hard-to-reach branches without climbing a ladder? Today, I'm ranking 5 popular long-reach tree pruners, from weakest to best, so you can pick the perfect one for your yard. Coming in at number 5, we have the GARTOL Telescopic Pole Pruner. This one takes the last spot in our ranking, not because it's bad, but because it's the most limited in reach and cutting power compared to the others on this list. It extends from just under 4 feet to about 5.5 feet, which gives you a bit of extra height for shrubs and low tree branches. The standout feature here is the cut and hold design. When you snip a branch, it actually grips it so it doesn't fall to the ground. That's great for fruit picking, or when you don't want clippings dropping everywhere. It's simple, lightweight, and easy to control. But here's the trade-off. It only cuts branches up to 1 inch thick, and since it's fully manual, you're relying on your own hand strength. Compared to the other tools on this list, especially the powered ones, it's clearly more limited in both reach and muscle. If you just need something simple for light trimming around bushes or small trees, this could work well. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description under the video. Now let's step up to something with a bit more cutting power. At number 4, we have the AIRAJ telescopic loppers. These aren't pole pruners, but they do offer serious cutting strength for their size. The handles extend from 27 to 41 inches, giving you extra leverage. And thanks to the compound action design, you get more cutting force with less effort. In fact, these can handle branches up to 2 inches thick, which is thicker than the previous tool. The SK5 steel blade with a non-stick coating helps keep cuts smooth and clean. The downside, you still have to raise your arms to reach higher branches, and this is not a true long-reach pole system. Compared to the powered options coming up, you're still using pure muscle. So while it's stronger than the GARTOL in cutting capacity, it doesn't compete in overhead reach. These are ideal if you're trimming thicker branches at shoulder height and want something reliable without batteries. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Next, we're moving into powered territory. Now we're at number 3, and this is where things start to get interesting. The Seesii cordless pruner brings electric power and real overhead reach into the picture. With a pole that extends from just under 5 feet to 9 feet and a total advertised reach of up to 15 feet, you can stay firmly on the ground while trimming higher branches. It cuts up to 1.2 inches thick, which is solid for most residential pruning. And since it runs on a 21-volt system with 2 batteries included, you get decent runtime without being tied to a cord. Compared to the manual tools, this feels like a huge upgrade in convenience. But compared to the next product, it does have slightly less cutting capacity. So while it's powerful and versatile, it's not the strongest electric option on this list. This is a great pick for homeowners who want powered pruning without going too heavy or bulky. But if you're dealing with thicker branches regularly, you might want just a bit more cutting ability. Let's take a look at that now. At number 2, we have the Takuoo cordless pole pruner. This one really steps up the game in cutting strength. With a reach of nearly 14 feet, it's right up there with the Seesii in terms of height. But here's the key difference. It cuts branches up to 1.6 inches thick. That extra cutting capacity may not sound huge on paper, but in real use, it means handling noticeably thicker limbs without struggling. You still get the convenience of a cordless 21-volt system with 2 batteries, so extended jobs are manageable. The only reason it doesn't take the top spot is versatility. It's focused on powered pruning shears only, while the number 1 option adds another major function. Still, in terms of electric pruning strength alone, this is a very strong contender. If you have medium-sized trees and want serious cutting power without dragging out a chainsaw, this one makes a lot of sense. Now let's look at the most versatile option in the lineup. Taking the number 1 spot, we have the V-Modist 4-in-1 system. This isn't just a pruner, it's a full pole saw and pruning shear combo. With a telescopic pole reaching into the 15-foot class and an 8-inch pole saw attachment, you're not just trimming small branches, you're handling thicker limbs that standard pruning shears would struggle with. The brushless motor adds durability and power, making it feel more like a serious tree maintenance tool than just a garden gadget. Now, it is heavier at nearly 13 pounds, so you'll definitely feel it during long sessions. But that extra weight comes from added capability. Compared to every other product on this list, this one offers the widest range of tasks in a single tool. If you want maximum versatility and the ability to switch between precise pruning and more aggressive cutting, this is the top choice in today's ranking. If you're ready to upgrade your tree trimming game, check out the top-rated options using the links in the description under the video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next in-depth review.